Today I'm going to share a strategy that can undoubtedly make you profitable. This strategy has a very good win rate, and so far I've executed 42 trades using it, turning a $1,000 account into $1,370 in just 12 days. So if you want to grow your account, I recommend you stay with me until the end of this video. At the end of the video, I will also share a very important tip that can help you increase your win rate even more. First, we need to go to the TradingView website and select our symbol. Keep in mind that this strategy has a very good win rate on most symbols, so you can choose symbols from the crypto or forex, even stocks. Next, we need to select our time frame. Since this strategy is a scalping one, I suggest choosing the 5-minute time frame as it is the best for scalping strategies. After that, we need to add the first indicator of this strategy to the chart. For this, simply click on the indicators icon and type in the search box, Firefly Oscillator, produced by Lazy Bear. You can find it here. Now click on it to add it to our chart. Next, we need to go to its settings and apply the changes you see on this indicator so we can use it for our strategy. Now I need to give you some small explanations so we can use this indicator effectively. When this indicator is red and crosses below the 50 line, moving downward, we can consider it a sell signal and enter a sell trade at this point to profit from the price decline. Alternatively, we can see here that this indicator and its columns have turned green and are above the 50 line. When this indicator crosses this line and breaks it upwards, we can consider this point as a buy signal and enter a buy trade to gain good profits. However, you should be aware that there might be times when this indicator gives us false signals. So we shouldn't rely solely on one indicator. To improve our win rate, we need to add a second indicator to the chart. For this, we go back to the Indicators tab and type in the search box 3MA cross with line. Now we just click on it when you find it to add it to the chart. As always, after this step, we need to go into its settings and make adjustments. So pay close attention to avoid making any mistakes. As you can see, this indicator consists of 3 moving averages, which we can use to determine market trends. When the moving averages are arranged as shown and the price candles are above all 3 lines, we consider the trend to be bullish and look for signals to enter buy trades at these points. Conversely, when the moving averages are arranged as seen in the image and the price candles are below all 3 moving averages, we understand that our trend is bearish and should look for signals to enter our sell trades at these points. However, this indicator also provides us with significant assistance by generating buy and sell signals at the specific points on the chart, which greatly help us identify entry points for trades. You can see that at this point, we can open our buy and sell trades by observing these signals and earn good profits. Later on, you can see a few examples to fully understand how to use this indicator effectively on its own. Now that you have learned how to use these indicators individually, I will teach you how to combine them, where to enter trades, where to set your stop loss, and when to exit trades. But before that, I want you to take a look at the channel because I have created many strategies with different win rates and explained them to you in detail. First of all, we start with buy orders. We need to look for a buy signal generated by the 3MA indicator. After that, we must ensure that the price is above all three moving average lines and that our trend is bullish. Now we should check the second indicator to make sure that at this point, the columns of this indicator are green and above the 50 line. If both of these conditions are met, we understand that we have found an appropriate entry point for a buy trade. Next, we need to set a stop loss for our trade. For this, we can find the last swing low and place our stop loss slightly below it. Now we can enter the buy trade at this point, and for our take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now we wait for the trade to close profitably so we can move on to our next trades. Now it's time to discuss sell orders and how to open them. First, we need to look for a sell signal generated by the 3MA indicator. After that, we must ensure that at this point, the candles are below all three moving average lines. Next, we check our second indicator to make sure that at this point, the columns of this indicator are red and below the 50 line. If both of these conditions are met, we understand that we have found an appropriate entry point for the trade. Now we need to determine a level for our stop loss. For this, we just need to find the last swing high and place our stop loss slightly above it. Now we can enter the sell trade at this point, and here for our take profit, we just need to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 and wait for the price to reach our take profit levels so that our trade closes profitably. As you can see, working with these indicators is very easy and straightforward. It doesn't require any specialized or complicated knowledge and doesn't take much of your time. At the end of the video, I want to share that golden tip I mentioned earlier. You must strictly implement all money management rules and only allocate 1% of your total balance for your stop loss in your trades. Well, I have no further explanation. I hope you enjoyed this video and that by adhering to the rules of this strategy, you can achieve consistent profits. Until the next video and another strategy, I wish you all the best. Thank you for joining us. Until the next video, goodbye.